Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on the Fiesta and we'll show you how to remove and replace downstream oxygen sensor on that Fiesta generation Mk7 2009 to 2017. We'll demonstrate on ST, but the regular 1.6 Fiesta might be the same procedure as well guys. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, so if you need anything, please subscribe. Also, give a subscribe to our new channel guys, I really appreciate it. Electrical car repair life, quite a few videos coming there as well. So what we're going to do first, we'll go ahead and remove that intake pipe so we can reach the connectors for the oxygen sensors. You have two options, you can remove that small piece or you can remove the whole thing. We'll remove the whole thing so we'll have more room. But before we proceed, we're going to disconnect the battery now. Okay, and every time we work with electrical connections, we would recommend disconnecting the battery. Okay, and there is always a certain way you disconnect it. Negative first, positive second. Otherwise, you can burn a computer guys, and we've done it before. You can check out the video. It's on our channel. Okay, perfect. So first we need to remove the engine cover. We already got ours loose. It has 4 bushings. You can see, and you just pull it straight out. After that we need to go ahead and disconnect that hose right here. So you can either do it with a 7mm socket that we can use. Okay, I believe it was 7. And we're going to disconnect this pipe here, this as well. Okay, make sure you get it loose all the way, not just to come off, but okay, like that. Now let me disconnect this one here. Okay, you have to kind of like spread both of them on one side, push up a little bit, but careful not to break it. The same thing on the other side, and then you can pull it straight out, just like that. Now this one, you squish right here, and one on the bottom. At the same time, you pull it out. Okay, you can see, just like that. After that, we need to disconnect the brake booster vacuum hose, which is the same way. Okay, perfect. Now we can go ahead actually and proceed by removing the mount for the intake hose with the 10mm. This nut over here. And after that with the 12 we need to remove. This is one of the holders for the engine cover. So please guys subscribe. As I said, more than 200 videos will be on the channel of that car. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll try to answer. Now, flathead screwdriver or 7mm, and we're going to disconnect. There is one of those there holding the intake hose. Okay, I'm trying to focus. It's that clamp, okay, right there. We're going to get a small ratchet and a 7mm so we can go ahead and get it loose. So we got it loose now. We'll try to lift it up and see if it's loose enough, okay, to come up. Or maybe it's still holding there a little bit. Okay, so it came up. Now let's go ahead and remove it first. Okay, we're going to get it loose on this side. Just be gentle, not to break any vacuum hoses, because those could be expensive. Okay, let's see if it's going to come out now. Okay, so let me just make sure that everything's good. Okay, now very careful here not to break any vacuum hoses. Okay, and it came out. Now that rubber bushing is still attached there, so we need to go ahead and remove it from the intake hose and install it on this one, otherwise later you will not be able to push the hose in. Okay, that's the one we're talking about. So we need to go over here so you can slide it on top of the other hose connector, otherwise it will be impossible to get this one in. Now this is the intake pipe right here, and it's wide open. It's very important to not drop anything in it, so what we're going to do, we'll just get a rubber glove and we'll cover it, but it's very important to remove it once you're done, because otherwise you will damage your engine. Okay. So the blue cable is the downstream oxygen sensor, the black one is the upstream. Downstream is after the catalytic converter, upstream is before the catalytic converter. So in order to disconnect the sensor now, this is the downstream, blue one. Okay, there is one thing that you push down, okay, and then we need to pull them apart. Okay, this one right here, push down and pull. Now we need to pull the wire from the holders here, and later we need to remember, okay, to install it. Okay, this one, I'll go ahead actually and pull it. Okay, this one right there, let me move this thing a little bit. Okay, I'll remove it from the bottom. So now you can see down there from the bottom, from underneath the car, with a 7/8 we're using wrench, fits really good. We're going to go ahead and get it loose. Okay, you go counterclockwise to get it loose. Yes. Okay, you can see we're down there. That's the best angle I can get with the camera, and the person is on the bottom getting it loose. So let's see if it's loose enough to turn it by hand now. And if that is too tight, what we did, we actually got the other end of the wrench through the wire, okay, and we can turn it a little bit at a time. Okay, now it's loose enough that we can turn it by hand. Then it gets caught a little bit, so we need to use the wrench. That is perfectly normal, and there is special grease, guys, that you need to apply when you install the new sensor so it doesn't seize. There. We have all the materials listed in the description of the video that you will need. Okay, let's see if it's loose again. Okay, all the way loose now. Let me just grab it now, and this is, guys, the downstream oxygen sensor out of this Fiesta. You can see that's how we remove it. So all we have to do, guys, get the new one, install everything in reverse order that we took apart. So thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.